Today we're in Palmer, one of the more family-friendly and mature neighborhoods in Burlington. We're at 3332 Hannibal Road. You're gonna wanna come inside and take a look at this one. When the sellers bought this home 7 years ago, they were just starting a family, ready to grow and ready to have all that fun and excitement that a family has. And now they've grown out of it and they're ready to pass it on to you.
When the sellers bought this home a few years ago, they did a complete renovation of the kitchen and did a great job of creating an open concept space.
In the basement, there's a completely self-contained apartment with kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom.
Not only does this house have 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, this backyard is perfect all summer long.